use a trim tool or a screwdriver, but I like to use the trim tool. That way I can just go like that. So that's what that tag does. That pin goes down in. If you have a clip like this, I use this kind of body tool, and then you just grab both sides, squeeze, and you can pull the tag right up. Pull that one out. Come over here, do the same. And we got to get a Phillips screwdriver. Do the same on the other side. We're going to remove all 8 bolts in the front end here. Goes straight across, 10mm socket. And our last 8th tab is broken. Now with a flathead screwdriver, we're going to take this tab and just move it. It's like it's got a tab on the other side, but then you're going to take your plastic flare, move that out, the bolt right there, 10mm socket. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now we're going to grab our bumper cover right inside here, keeping a hand up here to hold on to it firmly, and we're going to pull like that. And then you're going to follow it all the way around. Disconnect the other side the same way. Come in the front, grab your bumper cover, and we're going to have to undo the fog light connectors. So that is pushing down on this tab and pulling it out. There we go. There's one, and the other one's on the other side. Now with your bumper cover off, I like to lay a blanket down to protect the paint. And I'm going to lay it face down so I have access to the items I need. 10mm socket, and all you need to do is undo this one mounting bolt, because this part is the trim piece and we're just replacing the lens. So to install it, you're going to reverse procedure. Just line up those two and let it sit down. Snug it up. So now we're going to reinstall the bumper cover. Hook up the driver's side fog light. Hook up the passenger side. Okay. I'm going to lift it up. There we go. So we got to get these plastic tabs to line up. And then you just take your hand and right all the way over to the passenger side. So now we're going to put the center one back in. So you just push down, let it lock in, go to the other side, do the same. And we have that rubber one that goes right in the center. Then you have the two adjusters that go out on the edge. Now we can install the upper decorative cover and start from this side, and you can work your way over with the pins. So I'm going to put my two push pins like this, one there, and then one here, and then I'll put the rest of my pins in all the way around. Now we're going to put both screws that go in the fender well up. So you're going to put the fender skirt in, see how the line is, make sure it goes under the actual bumper cover. And this goes, if you want to, let out, put this in just like this. There we go. So now these tabs have to go up underneath the bumper cover. So just fold them. Go go all the way across. And now we can put our bolts back in.